Hi guys, in this post, we will explore the key features, major benefits, and real-world business scenarios of SAP S4HANA Material Ledger in simple, easy-to-understand language so that both finance professionals and SAP business leaders can maximize its potential. Many SAP professionals believe that the material ledger in SAP S4HANA is complex and requires deep finance or costing expertise. This is a myth. At SAPLogisticsExpert.com, our functional experts have simplified the entire concept for you. With our step-by-step explanations, supported by real-world business examples, you can not only understand Material Ledger easily but also configure it in your own SAP S4HANA system without needing advanced finance or costing knowledge. Our approach ensures that you gain confidence quickly and become proficient in Material Ledger in no time. Let's start our Material Ledger learning journey. Let's take a simple example of a multinational company that operates in Canada, Singapore, and the USA. The head office is in Canada. There is one company and plant in Singapore. There is also one company and plant in the USA. Now, here's how the business works. The Singapore company manufactures semi-finished materials. These semi-finished materials are then sold to the USA company at an intercompany transfer price. This price includes a small profit margin for the Singapore company. The USA company processes these semi-finished goods further and converts them into finished materials. Finally, the USA company sells the finished products to customers in the USA market. Scenario 1. As per the business scenario explained previously, semi-finished goods are shipped from Singapore to the USA. When this transaction is recorded, the Singapore company books it in Singapore dollars, SGD. At the same time, the USA plant receives the inventory. However, the value includes the profit margin charged by Singapore company in SGD. To complete the posting, this value must be converted from Singapore dollars into US dollars, USD, since the USA company's books are maintained in USD. Now, the business has two key requirements. Group valuation for accurate reporting. For group financial statements, internal profits must be eliminated. For example, if the Singapore company added an internal profit margin of 20 SGD, this should not appear in the consolidated accounts. Instead, only the external profits from customer sales should be reflected. Group reporting in Canadian dollar, CAD. Since the headquarters is in Canada, the group reporting is done in Canadian dollars, CAD. Naturally, the company wants all intercompany transactions across different countries to be automatically converted into CAD based on a predefined and mutually agreed currency conversion rate. This approach ensures that the group's consolidated financials remain transparent, compliant with accounting standards, and free from internal profit distortions, while providing a single currency view in CAD for management and stakeholders. Business Scenario 2. Company A, Singapore, sells goods to Company B, USA. The selling price is 120 Singapore dollars, SGD, while the cost for Company A is 100 SGD. This means Company A earns a profit of 20 SGD. Now, here's the business requirement. When preparing legal financial reports in each country, the system should automatically generate reports in line with local rules, regulations, and local currency. White right pointing backhand index in this example. For legal reporting in the USA, the inventory should not remain in SGD. Instead, The system should convert the selling price of 120 SGD into USD and record it in the USA company's books according to the currency conversion settings. This ensures that each company complies with its local GAAP and legal reporting standards. All financial reports are prepared in the appropriate local currency. The group maintains accurate visibility of costs, revenues, and profits across countries. By automating this process in SAP S4HANA, businesses save time, reduce errors, and ensure full compliance with international accounting standards. Business Scenario 3: Profit Center Accounting in SAP S4HANA. In this scenario, the focus is on profit center accounting within each company. Company A, Singapore, sells goods to Company B, USA, at a negotiated transfer price of 110 Singapore dollars, SGD. The cost for Company A is 100 SGD. This means the manufacturing profit center in Company A records a profit of 10 SGD. Now, let's look at Company B. Company B, USA, sells the goods to its customers in the USA market. For profit center accounting in Company B, the profit is calculated as customer selling price in USD, USD equivalent of 110 SGD, intercompany transfer price. This way, each company's profit centers reflect their respective margins. Company A shows manufacturing profit. Company B shows sales profit after converting the intercompany cost into USD. Why material ledger activation? As we have seen in the previously explained business scenarios, companies frequently operate across multiple countries, each governed by its own financial, tax, and legal regulations. Organizations must manage parallel valuations, where the same material or inventory must be valued differently based on varying accounting principles, such as International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, and local GAAP. Multi-currency valuation becomes equally essential when transactions occur in one currency, reports are generated in another, and statutory accounting is required in a third. A global enterprise might procure materials in USD, manage operations in EUR, and report in the local currency of its subsidiaries. This complexity requires a robust solution to handle real-time, accurate, and compliant multi-currency valuations. Parallel valuation, multi-currency, and material ledger are essential in today's global business operations. The material ledger is the basis of actual costing. It enables material inventories to be valuated in multiple currencies and allows the use of different valuation approaches. Functionality of material ledger. In simple terms, the material ledger in SAP S4HANA is a tool that records all transactions related to materials, whether it's purchasing, receiving goods, price changes, or consumption during production. Material ledger keeps track of how much materials cost and how they are used, while also supporting multiple currencies and different valuation methods, like standard price or actual cost. In this video, we will configure and activate material ledger functionality of material price in multiple currencies or multiple valuations, but not activate or use of the actual costing, which is also an ability of material ledger. Actual costings means inventories are valued at actual cost based on the actual costing runs. Here inventories are valuated at actual cost means materials are valued at standard price, which is then adjusted to reflect the difference between the preliminary price and cost. In Material Master Accounting tab, the value of the field Price Determination determines the actual costing. In the screenshot of the Material Master Data Accounting view, it is shown that actual cost is not active because field Price Determination has the value as 2 means transaction-based. In the case, the price difference gets posted to finance and will not participate in inventory valuation at actual cost. Hence, actual costing is not activated. Material ledger allows businesses to record, manage, and report material movements and inventory values across different valuation views, legal, group, and profit center. Material ledger supports up to 3 currencies for each material document as shown in the screenshot. In the screenshot, a material is shown to have price in 3 currencies. Meaning for this material, if a transaction is posted in Canadian dollar, we can see the FI document posted in the other 2 currencies, Singapore dollar and US dollar, also simultaneously and automatically. In the picture, it is shown how Material Ledger makes possible multiple valuations through using the feature of multiple currencies. Now that you have a solid understanding of SAP S4HANA Material Ledger, its key features, benefits, and practical business scenarios, it's time to move forward with activation. In the next post, we will guide you through the minimal configuration required to enable Material Ledger in your S4HANA system. Refer to the next post in the playlist for a clear, step-by-step activation process in just 5 easy stages, along with common errors and their root causes to help you avoid potential pitfalls.